Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another demonstration. Today we're going to be creating this lovely card, which is just a really nice simple scene that I did whilst demonstrating at the Fairy Fest, and I really enjoyed it, and I thought it'd be something that I could share with you guys. I am stamping onto watercolour card. A multifarious would work quite fine as well. I'm going to pop that to the side and we're going to get started. I've got a mask here that I'm going to pop down initially. Now this is just a guide. So that's all I'm going to do. Now you can do that with a pencil, as long as it's a nice light colour that you know you can stamp over the top. It's amazing actually what you can achieve just by using smaller stamps. I'm starting with the Golden Meadow. This is a really nice light colour. And we're going to follow that shape. Just changing the angle slightly. So just that one stamp and that's created our base. So the next stamp we're going to use is our mini maple leaf. I'm going to ink up in the rainforest. And I'm going to pop that down around about there. And I'm going to do another one here. And again there. Now you can take this as wide or as deep as you want. It just gives you an idea of what you can do. I mean, the one that I did earlier is again completely different, but using a very similar technique. So let's take our little fence, and this time we're going to ink up in the Nocturne. And we'll just pop that there, and then we've got, this comes in a set. One way and one the other. So now we're going to move on to our trees. So this time I'm going to ink up in the Warm Breeze. And I'm going to pop that down where we can see it. And then another one. This time I'm going to ink up in the Twilight. And again, if you haven't got these colours, you can use other colours. I'm going to pop that down there, like so. So now we're going to use our mask for our sun. So I'm going to place that around about there. And then taking Sundance and one of our stencil brushes, I'm going to just sweep that over the top. And then I'm going to use the russet orange. And this time using the very, very small stencil brush because I just want the edge and it just cleans it and sharpens the edge, making it nice and crisp. Just give it that little bit of depth at the edge, and you'll see what I mean when I take that off. So you got that really nice sharp edge there, and that's because you're bringing in another tone over the top. So now we're taking Lime Punch and another stencil brush. This time this is the green, and I'm going to sweep that over the top. This is almost to ground where the little fence is. And I'm going to bring in a deeper colour again, this time the Bermuda. With a small stencil brush. Remember to take some off. You need to get a feel of how much you want on. So start with a little amount and then build your way up. It's far easier doing it that way. So you can see how that automatically grounds it. I'm going to take one of our foliage stamps now. This is one of my favourites, Twilight. And you can use this stamp for all sorts of things. It's just a really nice, handy stamp to use. And it looks stunning, just hanging down from the top. Or equally, you can stamp going up on a card. Just got to remember to stop. You can overdo it. So some nice words now. Back to the Twilight. This is a really nice colour. It's not quite black. It's like a navy blue. And all I need now is some Stickles, so I'm taking the green, but you can again use whichever colour you like. And I'm just going to dot to start with over the denser area, and that way the glitter will stand out much more against a darker background. And then I'm just going to take a little over the top, just drag it. You want the line to be broken. And that's it, guys. So a nice, quick, easy card. Very different from that one, but as I say, a similar technique. And you can apply that in lots of different colours to get different effects. So I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. Thanks so much for joining me. You take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.